On the Student Absence Intervention screen in Student Information, the Intervention Plan tab, HB410 Event Maintenance area, lets you view all FT events for a student and add HB410 reporting events if needed. The Event List tab displays all FT events that will be reported to EMIS for the student in context. This includes both automatically generated and manually added reporting events. Since records must be reported for combined attendance, districts can view the student's attendance at both districts and then manually add reporting events if applicable. The User Added Events tab lets you manually add HB410 reporting events for students that attend multiple districts if their combined absences would result in a reportable event. To add a new reporting event, click the User Added Events tab, then click the plus sign to add a manual HB410 event. Select the event type and date, then enter any comments. Click Update Intervention to save any new or edited reporting events. The manually added event now displays in the Event List tab.